Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off restrictions on iPhone. Firstly, open settings of your iPhone, then scroll down and click on screen time. After, scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then from here, you can block inappropriate content. Now turn off the restriction button and turn it on and then off. All the restrictions will be turned off on an iPhone. Then go back and tap on turn off website activity. Now click on lock screen time settings and use a passcode to secure screen time settings. Set a passcode, re-enter the screen time passcode and enter your email or phone number. If you forget the screen time passcode, you can use your Apple ID to reset it. Now go back and click on content and privacy and restrictions to turn on or off by entering your screen time passcode. That is how you can turn off restrictions on an iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.